Question L parallel to M and T is the transversal. Okay, and question in question ratio of angle 1 and ratio of angle 2 is 2:3. Angle 1 and angle 2 in ratio 2:3. Then consider let the rational constant Bx, rational constant Bx, then angle A is equal to 2x, angle 2 is equal to 3x, and this is a straight line, and the same side of a straight line, angle formed at a point is equal, sum of angles formed at a point is equal to 180 degree. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree by linear pair. Okay, 1 is equal to 2x and 2 is equal to 3x is equal to 180 degree. So it becomes 5x is equal to 180, x is equal to 180 by 5. It becomes 36. X is equal to 36. Then put the value of x in angle 1, it is 2x, then it is 2 into 36 is equal to 72. And angle 2 is equal to 3x. Now 3 into 36, that is equal to 108. By using property of transversal and parallel line, we can find all these angles by vertically opposite angle, alternate interior and corresponding angle. Okay, solve and find all the angles by using corresponding angles, vertically opposite angles, co-interior, as you wish. In this figure, AB parallel to CD and CD parallel to EF, and value of this angle is equal to 70 and value of this angle is equal to 130. After that, you have to find the value of x in this angle. You have to find the value of this. Here it is clearly given that AB parallel to CD. So we can say that this angle and this angle are equals by alternate interior angles. AB parallel to CD, so that angle ABC is equal to BCD, BCD is equal to 70 degree by alternate interior angles. Okay. So now EF parallel to CD. Here it is also given that EF parallel to CD and same side of transversal and interior of parallel. This angle and this angle forming co-interior angles. Sum of co-interior, when two lines are parallel and here transversal, then sum of co-interior angle is equal to 180 degree. So angle CEF here CEF plus ECD is equal to 180 degree. Now it is 130 degree plus ECD is equal to 180. Here ECD, angle ECD is equal to 180 minus 130, that is equal to 50 degree. So it is 50 degree. Okay, and we have already find that BCD is equal to 70 degree. It means x plus 50 is equal to 70 degree, because we have already find that this angle is equal to 70. This whole angle is equal to 70, then x plus 50 is equal to 70. It means x is equal to 70 minus 50, that is equal to 20. So x is equal to 20. Okay. AB parallel to CD. Okay. You have to find the value of x. For this, when we produce CD, it intersect AE at, suppose this point M. AE at M. Okay. So we all know that it forms a triangle MCE. It forms a triangle MCE. In triangle MCE, ECD, angle ECD, exterior of triangle MCE. ये एंगल जो है इस ट्रायंगल का एक्सटीरियर एंगल बन रहा है. सो यू ऑल नो दैट एक्सटीरियर एंगल इज इक्वल टू सम ऑफ इंटीरियर अपोजिट एंगल. इट मींस दिस एंगल इज इक्वल टू सम ऑफ दिस एंड दिस. Consider this angle is A, then ECD is equal to A plus 20, and here it is 130 degree, then A plus 20, then A is equal to 130 minus 20, that is equal to 110. Now this angle is 110, and it is already given that AB parallel to CD. It means this line parallel to this line. So this angle is equal to this angle by corresponding angle. So x is equal to A, that is equal to 110 by corresponding angle. Corresponding angles. Okay. This figure AB parallel to CD and BE and CD like this, and forming this angle you have to find the value of x. Sometimes we need to construct some things. Here, when we construct a parallel through E, suppose a line L, a line draw construction draw through E, draw a line L parallel to AB, so that L is parallel to AB and AB is parallel to CD. Okay, so this angle, suppose this angle is A and this angle is B. Okay, so we can write angle A is equal to 35 degree by alternate interior angle, because this parallel to this and this line also parallel to this. So here this angle is equal to, in book, 65 degree. This angle is equal to 65 degree. So B is equal to 65. B is equal to 65 by alternate interior angles. And we need to find angle x. Angle x is equal to A plus B. So angle x is equal to 35 plus 65. That is equal to 100 degree. This is your answer. In this figure, AB parallel to PQ, and this angle is equal to 75, this angle is equal to 20, this angle is equal to 25. You have to find the value of x and y. For this, using property of parallel and transversal, we can find the value of x and y. Here AB parallel to PQ and this line is transversal. Okay, so this angle is equal to this angle by corresponding angle. So we can write that y plus 25 is equal to 75. Then y is equal to 75 minus 25, that is equal to 50. So this is 50 degree. Okay. And consider this angle is equal to A, and this AB parallel to PQ, so same side of transversal and interior of parallels forming co-interior, and sum of co-interior is equal to 180 degree. You all know. So we can write that A plus angle this plus angle this is equal to 180 degree. Here A plus 20 plus this is 25. Plus this also it is 50, that is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so angle A, this is 75 plus 20, this is 95, is equal to 180 degree. Then A is equal to 180 minus 95, that is equal to 85. Here angle A is equal to 85. Now in triangle this triangle, sum of angle this and this is equal to 180 degree. So angle A plus x plus 25 is equal to 180 degree, and the value of A is equal to 85. Here 85 plus x plus 25 is equal to 180 degree. So angle this plus this is equal to 110 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. Now you can find the value of x, which is equal to 70 degree. Okay. In this figure, AB parallel to CD. It is given that AB parallel to CD, and we have to find that angle BAE. Where is BAE? BAE. This angle minus ECD. This angle minus this angle is equal to AEC. Okay. For this, we have to construct produced BA intersecting EC at here, produce BA intersecting EC, suppose this is M, intersecting at M. Okay. Then angle now AB parallel to this, so this angle is equal to this angle by corresponding angle. So proof AB parallel to CD, so angle ECD is equal to angle EMA. Okay. So and this angle, now this angle is exterior of triangle AEM. This angle is the exterior of triangle AEM, and exterior angles of triangle is equal to sum of interior opposite. It means this angle is equal to sum of this and this. So we can write angle BAE is equal to angle AE. We can write AEC, this angle AEC, plus AM here EMA. This angle is EMA, and in place of EMA is equal to ECD. We can write ECD. So BAE is equal to AEC plus here ECD, and we have to prove that BAE minus ECD. When this ECD comes this side from RHS to LHS, it becomes minus. So BAE minus angle ECD is equal to AEC. Proof.